Hello, I'm David Monteiro and I'm a tour guide. You can find more information in my website at davidmonteiro.me. Thank you for joining me here and I hope you'll have a pleasant time. Where to go and what to see in Portugal. Where to go and what to see when visiting Portugal must be the question I answer more often while being a tour guide. Of course, the answer will always depend on who is asking. Not everyone enjoys doing the same things. Not only it will depend on individual preferences, but also depends on the time and the money you have available to spend during your vacations. As you can understand, my answer could be very different for those who want to visit Portugal for walking vacations or for those who want to spend some time in Portugal relaxing on the beach visiting museums. However, I will simplify the idea and draw a plan for the visitor who wants to spend some time in Portugal having active vacations but not necessarily for walking in the countryside. It will be a plan for a visitor who values visiting areas with some history, tasting the Portuguese cuisine and local wines, and is also interested in our cultural differences. I will also consider this visitor prefers to see the sights in a more relaxing way rather than jumping from site to site in a frantic race. More quality instead of quantity. Concerning the time length, I will consider two possibilities, 7 days and 14 days. A side note, to better understand these suggestions, please find yourself a map of Portugal. 7 days. Option A. 2 days in Porto, 1 day in Guimarães, 1 day to visit Fátima and Óbidos, 2 days in Lisbon, and 1 day for Sintra and Cascais. Option B. 2 days in Lisbon, 1 day for visiting Cascais and Sintra, 1 day to go to Évora, 1 day for Monsaraz and Tavira, and 2 days to visit Setúbal. While being in Setúbal, you can visit Palmela and the natural park of Arrábida. 14 days. Having 14 days available, I find it fascinating to make the trip from north to south. The city of arrival will be Porto and Lisbon the departure city, where there are more flight connections with the rest of the world. So, my suggestion for a 14 days tour is 2 days in Porto, 1 day in Guimarães, 1 day to visit Viana do Castelo, 1 day for the Douro Valley where you can visit Pinhão, 2 days in Coimbra, Fátima and Óbidos, 3 days in Lisbon, 2 days to spend in Évora and surroundings, 1 day to visit Sintra, Cascais, and 1 day for Setúbal, Troia and Arrábida. I hope you found this to be informative, and I will be waiting for you for a tour in Portugal. Hello again. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you enjoyed yourself, and please do not hesitate to get in touch with me if you feel the need to. You can check my contact details at my website davidmonteiro.me. The way you can help me is to share this post with your friends and family if you liked it. It is easy for you and extremely important for me. Keep yourself happy and safe, and I hope for your next visit. Bye!